if you pick a song that you are not fully comfortable with and you're like, hey, I just want to showcase like the biggest song that I can possibly do, you might be doing yourself a disservice. Now, why do I say that? Is because you're already going to be in your head and nervous about the audition, and then if you throw on there a song that you are not really confident with or really comfortable with, it tends to just show. And so I always say with that, it's not like you want to downplay or pick the super easy song. You want to pick a song that showcases your voice, but not something that you're working on. I would say showcase what you have, not the things that you're working on. So if you're really working on hitting top belt notes, but you're not fully there, pick the mid-belt notes, right? A song that maybe showcases that, the pockets that just really fit within your voice. And I think far too often, especially people who are beginning their audition journey,